नमस्कार. Myself Ashok Kumar Biswal, lecturer in English, OMCC Higher Secondary School, Bhadra. Dear learners, I do request you, all of you, to watch my channel from beginning to end, and then you should subscribe my channel. I expect a lot from you, my dear learners, viewers, students. You will be highly benefited by my innovative method of teaching. I shall try my level best to clarify your doubt about your ignorance. If you are unknown how to make affirmative sentences into negative, today's chapter negatives or negation. You know, आमे affirmative sentence बा आस्तिवाचक वाक्य को नास्तिवाचक वाक्य रे आमे परिणत करिबा. सेथिपई आमको कौन करबा को हेबा. आमे भल भाବରେ जानिछंती. We know clearly that the sentence that tells us about yes is called affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentences are also called positive sentences and assertive sentences. The three names are आस्तिवाचक वाक्य बा जहाको कहती affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence हर थरे yes सेंस रे हर थरे प्रकाश लाभ कले ताहाको आस्तिवाचक वाक्य कहा जाए. सेई अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस को अन्य भाषा रे पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस कहा जाए. सेई अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस को मध्य असर्टिव सेंटेंस कहा जाए. तेणु पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव सेंटेंस रे रूपांतरित करबा को हेले आमको किछिटा नियम फॉलो करबा को पड़ेबा. कौन करिकी आमे अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस को नेगेशन करबा बा नेगेटिव सेंटेंस रे रूप देबा. We know in some sentences there are auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. केतेक वाक्य रे लिंक ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब रही थाए बा हेल्पिंग वर्ब रही थाए. एग्जांपल, यू आर क्लेवर आर इज द ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब और हेल्प वर्ब. रूल्स. नाउ मु आपण मानकु किछिटा रूल संपर्क रे कहिबे. पॉइंट 1, बाय adding not with the auxiliary verb. auxiliary verb रे सहायक क्रियापद रे बा सहायकारी क्रिया रे not व्यवहार करा जाई. not को आमे यूज करिबा नेगेटिव करिबा. मोस्ट इजी. auxiliary verb, I am a student. I am a student. मु जणे छात्र अटे. am is the auxiliary verb. So when we change the sentence into negative, we have to add not with the auxiliary. So I am a student. I am not a student. I am not a student. I am a student. I am not a student. Suppose you are clever. You are clever. तुमे चतुर अट चालाक अट तुमे चालाक नुह. Are is the auxiliary. We have to use not with the auxiliary verb. So you are not clever. You are not clever. So एठी आमे कौन कले ना ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब रे नॉट व्यवहार करी आमे नेगेटिव कले एटी मोर प्रथम फॉर्मूला रूल्स रूल 1 देन रूल 2 by adding doesn't by adding doesn't with the main verb by adding doesn't with the main verb if the main verb ends in either third person singular number s or es we have to add a does. So he likes क्रिकेट से क्रिकेट को लाइक करे से क्रिकेट को लाइक करे नहीं जेहेतु लाइक शब्द रे एस बसिछि एको आमे नेगेटिव कले ही डजंट लाइक क्रिकेट आउ लाइक्स हुए ने लाइक्स भार्ब रे मेन भार्ब रे एस थिबारु डजंट हुए डजंट लाइक ही डजंट like cricket. He doesn't like cricket. He likes, he doesn't like. Suppose say Janti, he goes. There is es in the main verb. The main verb is es goes. As he is the third person singular number, he goes. Say Janti nahi. He doesn't go. He doesn't go. Doesn't go. In this way, we make negative if there is s or es with the main verb. If the main verb has no s or es, then we have to use do not in order to make it negative. Suppose the farmers work hard. The farmers work hard. कृषक माने कठिन परिश्रम करती कृषक माने कठिन परिश्रम करती नहीं work without s or es the farmers substitute pronoun they so they work. If we change the sentence into negative, they work, they do not work. They work, they do not work. The farmers work, the farmers do not work hard. The farmers do not work hard. Likewise, I go to school. I go to school. मु विद्यालय को जाए. I go to school. मु विद्यालय को जाए नहीं. I go, I do not go. I do not go to school. मु विद्यालय को जाए नहीं. So कौन शिखिले मेन भार्ब रे बा मुख्य क्रिया रे एस किंबा ईएस नथिबारु आमे डू नॉट लिखी नेगेटिव हुए. डिडंट शब्द को व्यवहार करी नेगेटिव हुए. डिडंट आमे को जगह रे आमे डिडंट बसाइबा आ मने रखंतु रिमेंबर इफ द मेन verb is in past tense form we have to use didn't followed by after using didn't followed by the present tense form of the verb. Suppose giving an example, he played very well. He played very well. से खूब भल भाव खेलिला से भल भाव खेलिला नहीं. मेन verb is played. As the main verb is in past tense form, we have to use didn't. He didn't play well. Didn't play very well. He didn't play very well. The verb is in past tense form, but we have changed didn't play because the main verb is in past tense form. So did or didn't, after using didn't followed by main verb र present tense form को फेरी आसे आउ played लिखा जाए नहीं, because did is the past tense form. If we write played then double past tense, it is avoidable. You can't use double past tense because did, after using did, the present tense form of the verb is accepted, followed. So did, after using did, we have to write the present tense form of the verb. Didn't play. I ate rice. ମୁଁ ଭାତ ଖାଇଲି, ମୁଁ ଭାତ ଖାଇଲି ନାହିଁ. Ate is in past tense form, so we have to write didn't eat, not didn't eat. I didn't eat rice. I ate rice, I didn't eat rice. कौन से खेला did बसिबा परे verb र present tense form हुए. Another thing, अनुज्ञा सूचक वाक्य रे generally the subject is omitted, but there is a subject in disguise. प्रच्छन्न भाव रे एक सब्जेक्ट रही था, से सब्जेक्ट किए ना यू, जहाँ को इंग्लिश ग्रामर रे इम्प्लॉयड सब्जेक्ट कहा जाए और अंडरस्टूड सब्जेक्ट कहा जाए. जहाँ को अंडरस्टूड सब्जेक्ट कहती ताकू भी इम्प्लॉयड सब्जेक्ट कहती. उदाहरण स्वरूप मु कहबी फॉर एग्जांपल कबाट बंद कर, शट द डोर. कबाट बंद कर, कबाट बंद कर नाही. किए कर नाही? तुमे कर नाही. कबाट बंद कर, किए कर? तुमे कर. किंतु आमे करिबा, आमे लिखिबा तुमे कबाट बंद कर नाही. हियर शट द डोर, शट द डोर. कबाट बंद कर. शट इज द verb, door is the object, but there is no subject, but there is a subject. It is called implied subject or understood subject. That subject is you. You. You is the implied subject or understood subject. That means you shut the door. In imperative sentences, when we turn into negative, we have to write don't at the beginning. Don't or do not at the beginning. मने रखंतु डियर लर्नर्स, व्यूअर्स, मने रखंतु इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस रो आद्य रे डू नॉट लिखी नेगेटिव करा जाए. सो डू नॉट बट डोंट शट द डोर. डोंट shut the door. Another say example, bring a stick of chalk. Bring a stick of chalk. Chalk खंडे आनंतु. Bring a stick of chalk. Chalk खंडे आनंतु नहीं. Bring is the verb, shut is the verb. Do not, we have to write do not bring a stick of chalk. So, in this way, we make affirmative sentences into negative. I don't know, मु जाने ना मो टीचिंग आपण मानंकु केते दूर मन छुआ ही पारुछि. आशा करुछि आपण माने मो चैनल को आद्यरु प्रांत जाए मो चैनल को देखंतु एवं सब्सक्राइब करंतु. आपण मानंकु बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. नमस्कार.